But I got this fuel pump here that's been sitting up for a little while. I'm gonna get ready to sell it. But before I sell it, I'm gonna put a new seal in it. Sometimes the seals go bad and they start weeping out the weep hole after they set up for a little while. So to make sure I don't have any trouble with it or any problems with it, make sure I'm selling something that's good, I'm gonna put a rebuild kit in it. So I said, well, I think I might do a video showing how it's done. This is a Magnafuel. It's a 300 without the filter, with the bypass release valve on it. The first thing I gotta do is pull this back off. Sometimes you can replace that seal without pulling this part off the motor. So I'm gonna try it like that first. If I can't get to it, I'll take these both sides and pull the motor off of it. These vanes go in here and kick out when the motor turns this part, and that's what creates your fuel, your pressure, sending the fuel out the pump. The seal is actually up in here behind this, so you gotta pop this piece out. And that's the actual seal right there that I'm gonna replace. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the motor off of it. Check the bearing, see what condition it's in. It's the bearing. Sometimes this bearing will go bad. Like this one in good shape. This is where the seal rides on this shaft here. You can see that seal in there. And if it comes past the seal, it's the weep hole right there to let you know. It comes out right here. So I'm gonna push that seal out. Seal. Here's the rebuild kit, the new seal right here. All right. Okay. So this kit is really for the 500, but the seals are the same. You got a lot more O-rings because you know, well, with the pump that has the filter housing on it, also you got a couple of seals on the filter housing that these O-rings need to seal up, and so it's a lot of O-rings here that we won't use in this on this pump. I'll spray a little WD-40 on it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get ready to lube up. I got the WD-40 on the new seal. It goes flat side in first. So try to get it in here without damaging it. Got it in place. Pushed all the way up. That's it. Forward the seal. Put a little bit more WD-40 on it. Cause I don't know how long it's gonna sit before it's put in service, so I don't want the seal to dry rot. Now start. Now I'll get ready to put this part back on. Kind of tricky to get the screws to start back. The magnets inside the motor be trying to pull on them, not letting them go straight down. See how the magnets try to pull them off center. Just gotta work with that for a little while till you get it. Now get ready to put the cup back in. See, you got a pin right here, slot right here. So the cup goes just like that. this in. Put the vanes back in place. See, as they turn, they suck and push out, suck and push out. That's how you get your fuel pressure. Put these in, put the cap back on. That'll be it. Screws back in it. Alright, should be ready to go now. Alright guys, so now I'm getting ready to get it all back together. So I got my release plug right here. I'm try to run some fuel through it. Make sure it's not leaking. First I'm gonna check and make sure the motor's coming on. Motor's working. Sound like it got good power. I'm gonna get some gas. Alright, to keep from having to hook lines up, I'm gonna just set it over in this container here. Fill it up a little bit above the suction with gas. And just come out the discharge. I just need it above this level. And I need to leave this weep hole exposed. Just make sure it's not coming out the weep hole. So, I'm gonna go get some gas. It should be enough.